Anna McPherson from the agency and welcome to 35 Oxford Road in Yeppoon. Let's check it out. Completed in 2022, this thoughtfully designed home really does offer so much more than meets the eye. It's the little details like the plantation shutters and fixtures and fittings throughout that really make it a home. Centrally located and situated on a 780 metre square allotment with full fencing and double side access with room for the shed, you're gonna love 35 Oxford Road in Yeppoon. If you'd like to know more about this gorgeous home, please do not hesitate to contact me, Anna McPherson. I'd love to talk to you.